Today, I'll be making a simple yet delicious dish consisting of chicken and caramelized onions with garlic rice. You can find the list of ingredients in the description. First, I'm going to start on the rice. Here, I've heated up a pot over medium heat and I'm adding some olive oil. I'm also adding some butter. Once melted, I'm going to add some thinly sliced garlic cloves and I'm going to stir them around and let them brown for a few minutes. Once browned, I'm going to add my rice. I'm going to stir the rice and let it fry for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to add the water and chicken bouillon. And I'm going to stir it and bring it to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, I'm going to cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. I'll let the rice cook for 25 minutes. Now that the rice is ready, I'm going to set this aside and work on the other parts of this meal. Here I have some chopped chicken breast that I'm adding a little olive oil to. I'm also adding some seasonings which include salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and oregano. I'm also adding some fresh squeezed lime juice and I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to cover the chicken and let it marinate while I work on the onions. Here I've heated up a pot over medium heat and I've added a little olive oil. Now I'm going to add the onions and give them a stir. I'm going to let them cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to season them with a little salt and then I'm going to stir again. I'll be stirring the onions about every 5 to 7 minutes until they become caramelized. This will take around 40 minutes. If the onions start to cook too fast, reduce the heat to medium-low to prevent them from burning. Also, make sure to scrape the bottom of the pot once the onions have caramelized, as they will stick to the bottom. Your onions should look something like this when done. Here, I've heated up a skillet over medium heat and I'm going to add half of the chicken. Then I'm going to spread it out evenly and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Then I'm going to stir the chicken and let it cook for another 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a plate. Then I'm going to cook the remaining half of the chicken the same way I did the first half. Then I'm going to return the chicken to the skillet and I'm going to let it cook covered for just a few minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Now I'm adding the chicken to the caramelized onions and I'm going to mix it well. And now I'm going to serve the chicken and caramelized onions with a side of garlic rice. I hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.